Kenward Trust is a drug and alcohol rehabilitation centre that is residential. We're set in 15 acres, and as part of the rehabilitation, having an environment like this is fantastic for our residents. It is relaxing. What we're trying to do is take them away from the historical areas and groups of people that they've associated with to help them rebuild their lives. The Trust, in its work with both drugs and alcohol, is helping to put families back together. We use social enterprise as part of the programme. Alongside the counselling and therapy, they learn new skills and build their confidence. The fireworks event is part of our event schedule. We're trying to create events throughout the whole year to bring new people on site. This brings us valuable funds to help support charity, but also works towards changing perceptions of what we do here.
There's about 2,500 individual fireworks. It's about 15 minutes long. It takes about one working man day to prepare the actual fireworks, but it takes about one working man day to design it, do the health and safety side of things, and design the show, program the show into the computer module that fires it. So total about two and a half man days, and then about 6 hours on site today.
Fireworks Spectacular.